Well, it happened again. Just trying to go to the store real quick. And now I realize how entertaining it can be because I have no idea what's going to be in these things. It's a big box like that. Ready, Freddy? I'm not taking my sunglasses off because I'm going to make a makeup video today, which means I have no makeup on. I look like a psycho. Feel my AP go inside. Go. Oh, I'm probably getting it off YouTube because I did that. And I'm not actually Post Malone. Oh, yeah. Get right in there with me. Talk dirty to me. If I can't. Can you see it? What is it? Oh, cool. Yay. It's day 3 of my diet. I'm still fat. So that's disappointing. I don't know why she swallowed the fly, but this one says like extreme. Maybe it has more glycolic acid. It's like super grainy. See all that? And I know people that do sugar scrubs, like that's all well and good, but that stuff just absorbs, like it's gone. You know what I mean? Like it goes away. This doesn't. This is the one that I've always used, and then this is one that someone got me because I'm a spoiled little brat. So, glycolic scrub fix, glycolic scrub fix extreme, exfoliate, and it does. Like, I'm talking, I think I am the cleanest human in the whole world, and I can take that. And the trick is don't get your skin wet, which is probably bad. They tell you to wet it. Don't. Just put it on and like scrub. Literally all of a sudden it like starts turning into like these brown like balls. And you have to like stand over the sink or something because they're like falling off you. Or maybe just me. Now this feels like clothing, which means to me not safe for work. So annoying about my YouTube. I don't know what the heck happened, but I ended up having to like go in and fix it and then re-download it after converting it and then upload it to YouTube. That takes like a long time. It would have been fixed a million years ago if I didn't have to keep redoing that. Thank God I saved my work. Hey, 18 people saw it before they had an issue with it, so I still don't really even know what the problem was. I tried to talk to them about it, but it was confusing. What do you think that is? Women's linge. So I'm going to go with lingerie. 2-pack, black and red. Oh, holy no. Yeah, no, I think I know what this is. Yes. So I wear garter stockings like constantly. I just love them. Like they just like look like you're wearing a garter belt, but you're not. Just like goes around your waist and it has like the lines and then like stockings. Like I just like stockings. Leggings, stockings, leg warmers, things like that. That's my jam. This is a whole bodysuit with them connected. I don't get this. Oh, is this like a... See, this is what I mean when I say like... So normally it would be like just like stopped here and it would go around your waist. And then each sock would just be like already have the 4 things. And then you just put your foot into here like that. But this one comes with like a top. This is inappropriate. Well, thanks for unboxing with me again, guys. Both times so far, it's been mildly embarrassing. That's why I did it again, because I was like, I wonder if I always get weird things, like weird things. I don't think it's weird. I wanted this. I put it on my list. I put that anal bleaching cream on my list too. I wanted it. Weird to other people. The answer's probably yes. Vlogging about my diet, and it's day 3 and I'm still fat. Captain's log, day 3 of diet, still fat. I also wanted to say that on the 2 times that my crazy butt dropped something, I was literally thanking someone. I said, so thank you, and then I dropped that necklace, hello darkness my old friend, like that. And then the last time I was like, so I have this, this, and this, and I just want to say thank, and I like hucked it somehow, like across the room. It's always when I'm thanking people. See, that's why I'm not nice. Makes you drop things. What the hell is that? Thanks for doing another unboxing with me, guys. As you know, I love you all very, very much. To all my friends and all my supporters, and extra, extra love to all my haters. Bye. Soon in the next video. Bye. Love you. I missed. You can still see me. That's awkward.